Hello there, and welcome to AGRC 213, Computers and Technology in Agriculture. I'm Aaron Heinzman. I will be serving as your instructor for this course. And whether you are enrolled in the FB01D, which will meet Tuesday mornings 8 to 9:15, or the Thursday section, FB02D, which meets Thursday morning 8 to 9:15, or the online only section, which will of course not have a face-to-face meeting, this video will serve as a welcome in order to get you a little bit acquainted with some of the things that will occur in the class. Also, I want to introduce you to our new learning management system, Canvas. I'm very excited about this addition to our institution and migrating from our prior learning management system. This one will be much more user-friendly. Its interface is much cleaner and much more intuitive. And in addition, it works much nicer on your phone or tablet, and you can complete a great deal of things with those devices as well. This video should serve to give you a few introductory key pieces to the course, and so I'll walk you through a few critical items here. On this introduction page here, you'll notice that mine is slightly different than yours, but you'll come into this home page each and every time when you enter the course. You'll have the home tab on the top left-hand corner, but then you will also only see modules, grades, and tutor.com. All of these other menu items that you see on my interface will be gone for you, as well as the course status will be slightly different for you on the right side of the screen. Scrolling down here, I want to call your attention to the instructor information in the middle of the screen. My office telephone number is listed there, as well as my institutional email, my office location, and then most importantly right now is our office hours. Mondays and Wednesdays, I will be in my office from 9:30 to 1 o'clock and 2:30 to 4 on Monday, Wednesday afternoons. Tuesday, Thursday by appointment, should you need it, please let me know and I will be glad to see you and help you with whatever information and whatever content help that you might need in the class. The most part of the class you will be spending working through this modules page. And the first and most important one that I would like for you to get through to begin the course is the Getting Started module and the critical course information. So please review all of these items here. First, please take time and go through the syllabus. It has all of the course expectations, the learning outcomes that we hope to accomplish by the end of the semester, as well as then a syllabus quiz. It's just a simple practice assignment that calls your attention to some key pieces from the syllabus. So as you're reviewing that syllabus quiz is just a simple reinforcement item as well as a practice activity. You may take it as many times as you like until you get a perfect score. Also, next is a introduction of yourself to the class, because we'll be spending a limited amount of time, or even no time if you're in the online course, face-to-face in the class. I'd like to get to know each and every one of you and have a little bit of time for you to get to know me. So please contribute to the Introduce Yourself to the Class discussion thread, as well as the KC Ag Student Demographic Survey. It's just a simple Google form, and if you're in multiple ag classes, please only complete this survey one time. Just allows Bill and I to collect some good demographic information about our students. Following that is the Student Resources and Help section. Provides to you some college policies and information that you should know with regard to a number of the rules and regulations and assistance that Kaskaskia College can supply to you, as well as some student help. If there are resources that you need, please review that tab, and there's some good information there for you. Finally, in this section is the Ask the Instructor discussion thread. I would encourage you to use that on a regular basis throughout the course. There'll be a limited amount of time either that we get together or none at all. So when you come up upon questions regarding course content, please post them in the discussion thread there, Ask the Instructor. I'll be responding to that on a regular basis. More than likely, someone else has the same question as well. Navigating a little bit more through the course, then every section will have its own module, and I've posted quick little lecture videos that are key informational items for each and every section. And I encourage you to watch those videos. They're somewhere around that 10 to 15 minute range maximum to provide you with some just good little tips on being successful in that particular module section and the key items that will be there. I suggest that you get the book for the class. You'll be working out of it on a regular basis daily as you do all of these assignments. And in that textbook, when you get to the pages that are denoted here on the screen, you'll see little red dots on each page. And those are the key items that you have to accomplish in each assignment as you go through. So as you navigate through the course, those are the skills that you'll be practicing. You are welcome to read the additional supplemental content in there as well. A few other items that I would suggest to you are important in order to be successful in the class. Number one, check your course content on a regular basis. You're going to have things coming at you all the time in this class. There's a lot of work that will pile up quickly, so please be engaged in the course on a regular basis. Again, utilize that Ask the Instructor forum. It should be helpful for all of us. Next is keep track of due dates and be on time with your assignments. You can expect 2 to 3 assignments due a week in this class. Some of them you will breeze through very quickly, and some of them will be much more challenging. So please be on time, and you are welcome to work ahead in the class as well if you are grasping some of the information quickly. Work on ahead if you so choose. If you get behind, things are going to pile up quickly. And again, I encourage you to stay engaged. Lastly, again, listen to those lectures. They're going to be helpful in terms of some of the key items, especially things that I'm going to be grading for. Ask questions. Use that forum, like I mentioned. There's not a lot of studying that's required in this class, but there is a lot of work. So please schedule yourself time in order to complete those tasks and be up to date with due dates. And then finally, please contact me if you need any assistance. I'm glad to help work you through the challenges that you may encounter here. We'll be starting off with Word, which I feel like most of you probably will have a pretty good handle on. And there's a number of things that we'll go through there. Please complete the activities as they are designed in the textbook. If you try and jump ahead, you're going to probably skip something and miss some key things that you'll be scored on. After Word, we'll go into PowerPoint, which should also be fairly simple for you to grasp, but it will be building up into 2 of our main projects for the course, which is your resume and cover letter, and a midterm PowerPoint project, which will be due at midterm time. Following midterm, we will move into Access, which is the most difficult part of the course. And I encourage you to be very patient, slow, and methodical as we get through that section. And then we'll wrap up the course with Excel and potentially some farm management information, farm management software packages towards the end of the course if we have enough time. And Excel, again, returns to being a little bit more user-friendly, but there's a lot of things that come with it with regard to working through spreadsheets successfully. So that's how we will navigate through the course. It will culminate at the end with a large Excel project as your final project, and that will conclude your course. It's going to be a different semester for all of us, and I encourage you to stay engaged, ask for help. We're looking forward to having a great semester and doing the best job that we can for you at Kaskaskia College in our agriculture program. Thanks for tuning into this welcome video.